Students, here I will explain about the boiling. Boiling, you know, process such a substance when heated to its boiling point. Okay, that is a particular point. Okay, suppose boiling and water, and which kind of change, student, that you must remember: desirable, reversible, fast, and man-made. Understand? So boiling is these four types of change it will come. I told you one change can be multiple, fall in multiple category. That is, it can be desirable. Okay, means desirable means, see, it's depend on you whether desirable or not. Suppose you are making tea or something. When we boil water, it's we need for some purpose, but never we can boil water for, if you don't need any purpose you can't boil the water, and automatically the water will not boil. That's why it is desirable has written. But somehow you don't want the boil water and it become boil by somewhere, so that is undesirable in that purpose. But generally 90% case it is desirable because it is man-made. Okay, when we need we used to boil. And fast, quickly boiling happens. And reversible, you know, student, no molecular change, nothing happens. Okay, after you, if you keep it sometime it become cold. So cold to become hot, boil mean hot, after keep sometime, if you keep it sometime it become again cold. So it is a reversible change, cold hot, hot cold. Okay, now condensation, students, condensation very easy, the process by which change from gaseous state to liquid state. You know, fridge water, if you keep in a glass, outer side there is small droplet of water will deposit. Why? Because, students, air contain water vapor. So when come in contact with here to totally cold than the surroundings temperature is more than the fridge water. So when you keep the fridge water, it's when air come in contact with it become freeze, because become condensed. Okay, so air contains also water molecule. What the air is blowing around us, it is also containing water molecule. That water molecule gets condensed because of the cold fridge water. Okay, get condensed and deposit on it, on the on its. So that is called condensation. Okay, when condensation of water vapor to form cloud, physical change, and it's desirable. And condensation happens in the after evaporation, all the air molecule, all the water from the pond will go upward and make cloud. In cloud means their condensation happens. Okay, condensation means condensation of water vapor make cloud, and again it will come fall back as rain. Okay, you know that water cycle. Students, it is a physical change and it's desirable, reversible, and natural. Okay, naturally happens. Now freezing, you know, converted liquid to solid, that is the freezing. Okay, and melting, you know, it's very easy. There is nothing to understand. Melting means substance change from solid to liquid. Okay, on heating, that is called melting. And they have particular point. Freezing has particular point, melting has particular. At 0 degree centigrade is the freezing point as well as melting point. Okay, if we give heat more than 0 degree, water will ice will melt. And if we decrease heat less than 0 degree, so it will freeze. Okay, but 0 degree is the turning point. Okay, now students, move to the chemical change. I hope there sublimation is the process where direct solid to gas. It is a very interesting example, ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride, and ammonium chloride is a good example. Okay, so some volatile substance is there which will just directly convert a naphthalene ball. Okay, naphthalene ball, you buy naphthalene from the market. Okay, that they are volatile. Okay, if you keep inside the cloth, after some day they will vanish. So there is no liquid state, solid to gas, that is called that process is called sublimation. Here is a setup. Okay, sublimation of physical sublimation, which is a physical change. This setup you remember sometime come in exam. And what is this point? Funnel, crystal of ammonium chloride. Okay, cotton plug. You after some time little bit heat will be given to it, you can see that ammonium chloride directly converted into vapor. Okay, vapor will deposit, there will be no liquid state. If you keep ammonium chloride here and give heat, it will convert it into vapor, it will not convert it, any liquid state is there. Okay, generally what happened, suppose ice, give heat, converted water, give heat, converted into vapor, but it's directly converted into vapor. So ammonium chloride has that characteristics of sublimation, they are called sublimate. Okay, so like the ammonium chloride, similarly naphthalene ball is there. Okay, Now students, dissolving you know it is also a physical change, mixing solid liquid gas with each other uniformly one with another, that is called dissolving. Okay, and dissolving is a, you know, it is a physical change, reversible, desirable, man-made and fast. So dissolving also takes place when desirable, generally desirable, because when we need to dissolve. Okay, dissolving means sugar solution, that is also you can say dissolving of sugar in water. So that is man-made, desirable, you know, and fast, quickly dissolving happens, and reversible. So that is the thing students, I think you can understand. Now move to the chemical change. Chemical change means where the chemical composition will change, that is called chemical change. Okay, original substance undergo change its chemical composition. These are the characteristics. Students, you read the characteristics. Some example must read here: germination of seed, cooking of rice, changing milk curd, ripening fruit, burning wood, paper, candle wick or fuel are common example of chemical change. Okay, it can be represented by a formula and equation. Okay, it accompanied by a change in weight. It is usually difficult to reverse. Okay, chemical change is not reverse generally, because chemically if compound will change, how you will reverse it. Okay, so take some example of chemical change. Categorizing chemical change: cooking, you know, cooking very easy. Example: prepare bread flour mixed with yeast and water. Okay, make dough. Okay, the dough is baked into bread. The bread cannot be changed back into original ingredients. It's hard. Okay, there is a picture. Sometimes the picture will be given in the question paper and it will say that which type of change is there. I think you can do digestion, food digestion, burning, anything burning is okay. I already explained students. Curdling, liquid change into soft semi solid mass is called curdling. That is semi solid. Semi solid means solid means hard, solid is not semi solid. Okay, so when lime juice or vinegar is added to milk, milk changes into cottage cheese. Okay, this card new substance with a new chemical composition. It cannot be changed back into milk. You know, it cannot be changed. Okay, so that is the curdling. Okay, and curdling is a desirable or undesirable. Student, undesirable, you know, for drinking purpose you keep become card, so undesirable. So it can be desirable, undesirable, and it's slow. It will take some time. Irreversible, endothermic. Student, chemical change means, you know, irreversible. 90%, 99% irreversible. Okay, so chemical change means irreversible. And fermentation, students, if any substance broken down by presence of microorganism means yeast, it is a fermentation. That fermentation of dark, chemical change, man-made, desirable, slow. Okay, very nice thing. Yeast will be mixed with the substance. Yeast or yeast produce fermentation. Okay, so the yeast is the microorganism responsible for the fermentation. After the rusting also a chemical change, you know, chemically change that iron. When iron getting rust, it will not come back to the original iron, so it is a chemical change. Students, I think you understand. Here is the, just practice this categorizing chemical change, these things. Okay, and thank you.